Hello everybody, welcome to another video tutorial. On this video we're going to be going over HTML. Okay, so first thing you want to do is drag and drop your object. Go ahead and open it by double clicking or by entering the content select object. So I'm going to double click on it. Okay, so as you can see right here, you have your HTML code object. And what is this object for? So for example, if you happen to know HTML code or you happen to want to learn HTML, you can go ahead and use HTML code to design your website. Another thing the HTML code object is to introduce your Google AdSense. Basically what Google AdSense is a program that Google opened that allows you to publish ads on your website so you can generate income. So basically how you do this is you go to googleadsense.com and you copy and you get the code, wait for them to approve your registration, and then they allow you to their website. You just copy and paste your code, you upload your website, and within a couple of between 5 or 10 minutes your ads will appear on your website. So let's go over this object. So for example, you can see over here you have your cut, you have your copy, you have your paste, you have your undo, and you have your front page counter. Okay, what is this? You can add a counter to a page in your website to let you know how many users are visiting that specific page. So for example, I would put one in my home page to see how many people go on my home page, and then I would put one in some of my other pages to see if people are continuing to visit my pages, because if they just visit my home page and they get out, that is not working for me. So that's a good way you could kind of use the page counter. Then over here you have your internet objects. Okay, and what is this? So it gives you a set of pages for you to use. So for example, you can go to Google AdSense, you can see how it's opening Google AdSense. So it's a collection of useful pages you can use on Website X5. Okay, you can see how you have your Google AdSense for search, Google AdSense for content, and it's pretty much all the same thing. You also have your PayPal, and you're going to want to get a PayPal account if you don't have one. Okay, linked files to HTML code. This, you can link files to HTML code. So for example, you can link an image and displaying the page source. But if you don't know HTML code, let's not get in too much into that. Okay, so as you can see, you have your HTML object hey, you have your HTML object width, show scroll bars, and you have your CSS. CSS stands for cascading style sheet. Okay, and basically allows you to position your images more freely throughout your website. If you don't know CSS and you're interested in knowing CSS, I will leave a link for you on the bottom of this video. So I will leave a link where you can learn HTML code, so you can try and go ahead and test it out. But it's honestly not necessary unless you want to like learn it just for like a hobby or something, because Website X5 allows you to create a website without knowing HTML or CSS. So that was it for this object. Go ahead and watch the one below. We're gonna be going the video below. I'm sorry. We're gonna be going over a very cool thing, which is setting up our product list for our online store. So that's gonna be very useful for you guys who want to create an online store on your website. I'm also gonna be teaching you a lot of cool stuff. Make sure not to be one of those persons who doesn't watch that video. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I'll see you on the next video.